So if you've been given Switchboard access on RotaPal, when you log on to your account, the first screen you will see is the Switchboard Services Overview. This will provide you with a list of all the different users that are currently working within the hospital. You can use the filter facility at the top of the screen to narrow down your search if it is a particular individual that you're looking for within a particular department. Once you hit filter, you'll be left with the results of your current search. On the right hand side of the screen, you can clearly see who that individual is, and you have the necessary contact details to make contact with that particular individual. If you have Switchboard access, you also have the ability to make last minute changes to the rota. For example, if the coordinator can't make the change, it's important that the rota stays up to date at all times. To do this, click on the page icon beside the shift and user you want to change. To edit the rota, click on Edit. And here you are presented with a list of options as how you're going to change that shift. More often than not, you'll be transferring that shift to somebody who's already on the rota. Here you're presented with a list of individuals who are currently working within that rota. But if, for instance, that user isn't on the rota and you know who that user is, all we need to do is to transfer that to an external user. You can use the search facility to search for the individual, as they might have a profile on RotaPal already, so I will search for this individual. If the user does not have an account, you can enter their details in manually. When you're finished entering the details of that user, don't forget to notify users of change via email. We can now see that that change has gone through and the shift has been transferred from Charlie Chester to Rob Robertson with a stamp of who the user was that made the change and exactly when they made the change. Now the rota has been updated, you can go back to the switchboard view.